Okay, this is the Infinix Zero Ultra. This is a 5,000 Ghana cedis Infinix phone. That is because the dollar rate is about 1:10 right now, because this is $520, but it's 5,000 Ghana cedis here in Ghana. And for that price, this actually comes with some really cool features that I can't wait to share with you guys. One, this comes with a 200 pixel main camera on it. Imagine the pictures we are going to be taking with this, and you can actually charge from 0 to 100 in about 12 minutes. Imagine if you go to bed and forget to charge your phone and you wake up, you can literally go and take a shower and put this on charge, brush your teeth, come back, and this can actually be at a full battery from 0 to 100. So that is pretty impressive, amongst other really cool stuff. But like we always do, this is an unboxing and first impressions video, so we're going to be digging into this and see what comes in this huge box. It's actually big, like, let's get in my head. Comes with this huge box. We're going to see what comes in it. So let's just get to the video. Let's get the unboxing lights on. Okay, I need a knife. Oh, good. Now let's get into this box. But before that, let's see what comes around the box. As you can see, they stated this is a 180 watts tender charge. That is one thing I can't wait to check. Let's just get inside the box. Okay, so inside the box, you're greeted with the phone itself, but like we always do, we're going to see what else comes inside the box. Inside here, you can find a card that you can actually scan and maybe win an NFT. I'll probably show that later on in the full review. It actually comes with a screen protector inside the box. How many phones still give you this? That is cool. And then you have the SIM ejector too, right there if you need it. That's also cool. And it comes with the X Club. If you want to join the X Club, you can use this to join the X Club. Then to the phone itself. Look at that camera. Wait, let's take the sticker off. Now look at that camera. That is so big. Take a closer look at it. 200 megapixel. We're definitely going to be testing this one out, but that looks really big. What else comes in the box? We have a clear CPU case, a dongle, of course, a Type-C charger, and a Type-C earphones. And now that beefy 180 watts charger. This is big. Like, this is really big. I understand why this is able to do what it's supposed to do. Okay, so that was the wholesome unboxing. And normally when it comes to devices like this, you know, during the unboxing experience, you're going to feel like you paid your money's worth. There's a whole lot of stuff in here, and having this huge brick, a 180 watts charger right in the box without having to go into buy another one, it's a really good advantage. And with this, you can actually use it to charge a whole lot of other things, which is really cool. My first impressions about the device on its own, it feels actually really good. The back has this wavy looking texture. I hope I can get it on camera. It looks and feels really nice to the touch. It makes it really grippy when you're holding it, so that is actually a plus. So I really like that. For the screen, of course, we have a 6.8 inches AMOLED display. It's a 120 Hz display, so we're definitely going to be expecting the best from it in terms of colors, fluidity, and how fast animations are. The screen curve on the side is actually not so drastic. I think I'll probably get used to this. And looking around the device, we have the power button and the volume key on the right side, and at the bottom we have the Type-C port, of course, for charging and data transfer, and the SIM card tray is also found there. And we have what I assume is a dual speaker system on this. On the left side we have nothing, of course, and at the top we have what looks like another speaker, so that would definitely be a dual speaker setup. At the back, we find ourselves having a triple camera setup and that huge sensor. That is the 200 megapixel main sensor on this, and we're definitely going to be putting that to the test. What I'm actually really excited about is to check out the charging speed that's found on this. This is the 180 watt charger, and Infinix advertises that this can actually fully charge in 12 minutes. So we're definitely going to be doing this after this video. Of course, I'm going to drain the battery and we're definitely going to test it out. Okay, so we are into the device. This is actually the XOS 12 running Android 12. It's kind of looking colorful and nice. We're definitely going to see how the integration on Android 12 here is. In the full review, I'm going to tell you how this actually feels. But so far, I'm actually really liking the screen. The colors look really beautiful and it's pretty fluid. Like it's really refreshed. It's really smooth. Default, I'm sure it's on 120 Hz by default. Let's go check. I know this is supposed to be a first impression video, but why don't we actually test out the cameras? Okay, let's check it out. Another one. All right, so how does it look like? Colors are looking really punchy. But you know, we're going to be testing it a little bit more. Let's just see how this looks. Let's see how a 200 megapixel camera looks. I'm guessing this is going to allow us to zoom in a little bit more and have more details, and exactly that is what it's looking like. We're definitely going to be testing this out a little bit more. We know having this huge sensor, we're actually going to get more light into the sensor, so pictures are going to look really good in low light situations, and it's actually going to give us more natural looking bokeh from the sensor, so I can't wait to try that out. So this is an unboxing and first impressions on the Infinix Zero Ultra. I'm definitely going to be bringing you guys a whole lot more videos, so stick around. Leave any questions that you want answered in the full review, of course. And if you're new to this channel, of course, subscribe so you don't miss out when I upload a new video. Thank you for spending time with me. Stay liquid, and I'll see you in my next upload. Peace.